Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to chat with the participants of the meeting during the Webex meeting. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your homepage by clicking on the first icon down below and then press the button Start Meeting. Now you should select your audio first and then click on Start. Tap on the three dots icon at the bottom of the page. Scroll down till you find the Chat with Everyone option and click on it. Now, as you can see, there is this whole page and below or down below there is the press enter to send the message directly box, in which you need to type in your message first and then press the send button in the right side of the screen. So now, as you can see, you have added the comments, and other participants can have a chat or join this section where you can chat with the invitees. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.